Guys, so today we're gonna be talking about the Harrier. Sad because I want to do some gaming, but I can't. But whatever. So Harrier is a jump jet for the video game. Okay, no, I'll do that later. Harrier is a jump jet. So instead of going this up diagonally, like it goes like this. I want to go to space. And it goes like this down. Ooh. Now, that is what the exhausts are downward. I think they're over here. Over there. Whatever. It's made in the United Kingdom. Okay, I'll do it. First flight was 28th of December 1967. Introduction was in 1969. Okay. Developed from Hawker P. .1127. It's still in service though, but only the best pilots get to use it. It was used by multiple air forces, including the Royal Air Force, United States Marine Corps, and yeah, even more. But oh, by the way, did I tell you it was a fighting plane? Okay, I didn't know that. It was also used for aircraft carriers later in the design. I really want to play this. Okay, I need to play this. I think I told you, did I? Oh no, and Royal Navy and Indian Navy, they are still, they also use the Harrier, but they're retired. The Royal Air Force, the Royal Navy, and Indian Navy is all retired. There's only United States Marine Corps. Okay, well, it's also a V/S tall strike aircraft. Okay, I think I told you enough. Okay, so subscribe because my mom said I have to make this video. And the good thing about I want to play the video. Okay, whatever. Just subscribe and like.